Hi, I'm Rebecca Brandt, and today we're going to make a super great fitness recipe with an olive oil that's misted. Oftentimes, I might be really bad with what I eat, and I need to make it up with a great dish. This is a vegetable sauteed in like molecules of olive oil that's been flavored. This olive oil has been flavored with garlic. I keep it on hand because it's delicious. I'm sauteing up zucchini and yellow crookneck squash, but this is straight neck. It's a new variety that's taken the place of the crookneck squash. And an onion, because I add onions to almost everything. These vegetables are so low in calories. This is a guilt-free dish. I'm putting it on a base of brown rice because brown rice is less digestible than white rice, and it's not all absorbed, so you're getting a lot of bulk and free calories with those. Let me show you how I make my olive oil recipe. With my 2 cloves of garlic, I bash them because I want to get the paper off easily. So peel off the skins, and I'm going to crush them again. And then give them a rough chop with your knife. And you're going to put it inside the top of your olive oil mister. And because it's anti-clog, it's not going to matter with all these little pieces. And you fill it with a 1/2 cup of olive oil just to the max fill line. Put the pump in, screw it on. There's your nozzle. It won't spray until you've pumped it. So then you put your pumper on. And now pump it about 7 times because that gets the pressure in. And then once you can't pump it anymore, you know you're done. And spray. Look at that. It's an endless stream of spray. That's amazing. Fine Life has sponsored this video, and I'm so glad they did because I love this olive oil mister. It's the only one on the market that's anti-clog. The mist just keeps going. I like it to work every time. And when it doesn't spray anymore, that means it needs a few more pumps. But that's good enough for now. That's probably 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil, and it's coated my whole pan for this recipe. To get to the finish line fast, I'm turning this on high. I'm spraying a little more, and I'm cutting up some zucchini. And my trick for a quick dish, and to cook it fast, is to cut it into quarters, and then right up the middle in thin pieces. Because the smaller your zucchini is, the faster it's going to cook evenly. And do the same for your yellow squash. So there's my small pieces of yellow squash. And I love onion sauteed in about everything I make. So give it a rough chop in thin pieces so it cooks fast too. And all of the vegetables are about the same sizes for even cooking. And into the pan it goes. Wow. I'm going to stir it once after about 30 seconds. Flatten them down so they have a lot of contact with the hot surface of the pan, and step away. I always love to have fresh lemon juice, and these misters are perfect for it. So I can spray this on my broccoli, on my fish, and anything else I want a spritz of lemon juice. This is about 1/2 cup of lemon juice, and I'm covered for a week. And when I'm in the mood for a little spice, I have my hot chili flakes in my Fine Life mister. It's color coded. Red means hot and spicy. The recipe for this is 1 teaspoon of those red chili flakes. I love to serve this over brown rice, and this is how I made it. Basically, it's 1 cup of brown rice, rinsed well, 1 3/4 cups water, so you bring it to a boil and then you turn it down low and you cook it for 55 minutes. Voila! And just for fun, I'm putting on some of my red chili oil to spice it up. Check this out. Look at that mist. That looks great, and it smells great. It's going to give me a little more pizzazz. It's ready. Oh wow, those vegetables smell so good. I made a lot of quantity, so this is going to be a real indulgence, but you could have made this 2 large servings. Click the link below and get your Fine Life misters. They're the best. Oh yeah, that's my bite. Wow, I taste a little heat from that chili pepper, and I taste the garlic, and I can eat this whole plate with no guilt. I'm Rebecca Brandt, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes. Like a recipe with no guilt. Yum.